When you think of artificial intelligence, you might picture robots learning from mountains of data or chatbots having deep conversations. But here's the thing. AI isn't just about learning. In fact, some of the earliest and most fascinating forms of AI didn't learn at all. Let's rewind for a second. Imagine you're running a fruit sorting plant. You've got apples, oranges, and bananas zipping by on a conveyor belt. Instead of teaching a robot to recognize fruit using endless photos, you could use a set of if-then rules. If the system's scanner sees something red and round, it's an apple. Send it to the apple tray. If it's yellow and curved, that's a banana. This is the world of rule-based systems, simple, direct, and super specific. But what if you need more expertise, say diagnosing diseases or catching sneaky fraudsters? That's where expert systems come in. Think of these as the grandmasters of rule-based AI. They don't just follow simple instructions. They reason through a massive encyclopedia of expert knowledge. Back in the 70s, one system called Mycin could diagnose serious infections and recommend antibiotics, all by piecing together medical facts like a puzzle. Then we've got logical reasoning systems. These are like the brainiacs who ace logic puzzles. They use formal logic, like if A and B, then C, to prove theorems or make deductions. The logic theorist, one of the OGs of AI, could actually prove mathematical theorems by itself. That's like having a computer ace your math homework without you lifting a finger. Now here's where things get tricky. Early AI's power came from rules. Lots and lots and lots of rules. The more complicated the problem, the longer your rulebook needed to be. Picture trying to write a rule for every single situation you might ever face in the real world. Yikes. This led to what experts call intractability and combinatorial explosion. Basically, the rules became so overwhelming that no human could keep up. It's like trying to keep track of every possible chess move in your head. And that's why, despite their genius, these early systems hit a wall. They were powerful, but brittle. They couldn't adapt or learn something new unless a human painstakingly updated all the rules. As real-world problems got messier, early AI systems simply couldn't scale. So what happened next? Well, the struggles of these rule-based pioneers paved the way for something completely different: machine learning. Instead of hand-coding every decision, why not build systems that learn from experience, just like people do? The journey from hard-coded rules to learning machines is what makes AI so fascinating. It's not just one path to intelligence. It's a whole spectrum, full of twists, turns, and clever ideas. And honestly, the story's only getting started.